Toledo traffic, Skyline 2673 Romeo is on the 45 for left downwind entry for 06 Toledo.
And Toledo traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, shorter runway 24 will be a few minutes, so no worries. Pattern altitude's going to be 1171. Put that in as minimums. And the frequency over there will be 22.8. I've already got the AWOS set up in there, so we'll get that when we're ready. Okay, so that's going to be a northwest turn. We'll climb up to maybe 2,500. Short hop. Toledo traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, departing runway 24 will be northwestbound Toledo. I have the traffic join the pattern in sight. Finals clear. Set fuel flow's good, airspeed is alive, up we go. Positive rate. Here coming up.
Toledo traffic, Skyline 2673 Romeo is left downwind 24 Toledo.
Chehalis, Centralia Airport, automated weather observation 2254 Zulu. Wind 170 at 7 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 17 Celsius. Dew point 2 Celsius. Altimeter 300. 9 inches of mercury.
Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's about 9 miles southeast, planning right traffic 16 Chehalis. Okay.
Every airport, helicopter 961 there, Alpha 14 miles from northeast, coming in for center ground runway 26 Astoria.
Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, 5 miles south, entering the right traffic runway 16 Chehalis. Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's on a 3 mile 45 right traffic runway 16 Chehalis.
Alpha traffic 76 Zulu is the right crosswind departure to the east by towards wind. Last call, hover, jet A. Open service, that's enough. 26 around there.
Speed checks, gear coming down. Approach flaps. Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning right downwind 16, full stop, Chehalis. Autopilot's off, yaw dampers off, we got 3 green approach flaps. Prompt to come.
Chehalis traffic, Cessna 326, Mike Echo 5 miles to the north, passing center line of runway 16 at the moment, intending to make cross midfield, teardrop entry to runway 16.
Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning right base 16, full stop, Chehalis. 3 green, mixtures rich, prompt to come. Finals clear, runways clear. flaps, turn it final. Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning final, 16 full stop Chehalis. The re-green, full flaps, mixture switch, prop to come. A little bit high, fixing that. On speed, on center line, a little bit high still.
California traffic, skydiving over field 35 below, you've got your steering show.
Traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, clearing 16 at Alpha 2, taxi into the fuel pumps, Chehalis. Okay, we are stopped. These are the flaps.
California traffic, 1 minute, skydiving over field 35 below, you've got your
Trim,
steering show.
landing strobe, radios, transponder are good. Clear left and right. Fuel island here in a